Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're unpacking exactly how to integrate the most incredible AI websites of 2026 right into your daily workflow. The goal here is actually pretty simple. We want to help you build an ultimate AI toolkit that's going to save you hours, literally hours of tedious, manual work every single day. So if you've been feeling like AI is just moving way too fast to keep up with, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break the whole thing down step by step.
Think for a second about the sheer pain of tedious formatting. The hours spent dragging text boxes around, desperately trying to make a design look somewhat professional, or just staring at a totally blank screen trying to write code for a basic application. Now, what if you could just type one single sentence, hit enter, and watch an AI instantly generate an entire presentation, design a logo, or even code a fully functioning app?
I know, it sounds like pure magic, right? But these are actual tools and they're available right now. And honestly, the craziest part isn't even that they exist, it's that they integrate so seamlessly into your daily workflow. Oh, and a lot of them are completely free to use.
Okay, let's dive right into our agenda to see how we're building your toolkit today. Number 1, visuals and design. Number 2, next level media. Number 3, your research team. Number 4, heavyweight assistance. And finally, number 5, bonus tools and beyond.
First up is Section 1, Visuals and Design, transforming ideas into instant layouts.
Let's look at Gamma, for example. It completely eliminates the friction of formatting. Step 1, you just give it a prompt, something like climate change. Step 2, within seconds, Gamma generates beautiful layouts, charts, and all the copy. And Step 3, you refine it. But not by dragging boxes around, you literally just chat with the AI to make changes. It's a massive, massive time saver.
Next up is Napkin AI. Their philosophy is beautifully simple. It's basically like having a professional graphic designer right inside your browser. You just dump your messy, plain text ideas into it and boom, it instantly maps them out into stunning flowcharts, process charts, mind maps, and business diagrams.
And of course, Canvas AI features have evolved into an absolute powerhouse, perfectly tailored to specific needs. Creators can mass generate social videos, freelancers can spin up logos in a flash, and marketers, they can build entire campaigns just by describing what they want the final product to look like.
Moving right along to Section 2, Next Level Media, Hollywood-grade video and human-like audio.
AI is totally democratizing high-end media production right now. Enter Runway. It seriously feels like having a multi-million-dollar Hollywood studio on your laptop. You just type in a cinematic prompt, say, a sweeping drone shot over a neon city, and Runway just generates it for you. Plus, you can do one-click background replacements or even add flawless slow motion.
Now for the audio side, ElevenLabs is the absolute gold standard. You aren't just generating basic robotic narration anymore. You can actually clone your own voice from just a tiny little sample and then translate it into dozens of languages. The wild part? It perfectly preserves your original emotional delivery. Pair that with a Runway video, and you've literally just produced a full-scale commercial right from your desk.
All right, Section 3, your research team, synthesizing massive amounts of information.
The paradigm shift we're seeing in search is super simple. Google gives you links, Perplexity gives you answers. Instead of juggling 20 different browser tabs, Perplexity actively reads multiple sources and synthesizes one coherent, highly accurate answer, complete with clickable citations. Just imagine taking that synthesized research and dropping it right into Gamma to instantly build your presentation.
To push that research even further, we have NotebookLM. You can upload entire textbooks or, say, months' worth of needing notes and literally chat with them. It synthesizes study guides, breaks down super complex topics, and get this, it can even turn your dry documents into a totally conversational audio podcast. It's wild.
Next up, Section 4, Heavyweight Assistance, your 24/7 expert partners. So when you compare the two titans of the industry, Claude and ChatGPT, it really all comes down to your use case. Claude is pretty much unmatched for analyzing massive documents and following incredibly complex, multi-step instructions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, remains the absolute king of pure versatility. It can handle everything from writing code to generating images.
But here's a number that should really make you stop and think for a second. 10%. What's fascinating is that most people only use about 10% of what ChatGPT can actually do. They use it as a basic search engine or maybe to write a quick, polite email. But used correctly, it can build entire websites, practice foreign languages with you, solve complex math, and brainstorm a year's worth of business plans. Seriously,
If you're only using 10% of its capabilities, you're missing out on a genius-level assistant that is awake and ready to help you 24 hours a day.
Which brings us to a massive game changer, Google AI Studio. Honestly, it is wildly underrated right now. It lets you upload video, audio, and text into the exact same workspace and just naturally interact with Google's most powerful models, all at the exact same time. It truly feels like stepping into the future.
And finally, Section 5, Bonus Tools and Beyond, pushing the limits of what's possible. To quickly round out this whole ecosystem, we have to mention a few more. Lovable builds, fully functioning apps from simple text. Ideogram finally solves the age-old problem of generating accurate text inside AI images. For the developers out there, Cursor writes code right alongside you. Midjourney still remains the undisputed king of gorgeous artistic generation. And HeyGen, it spins up hyper-realistic talking avatars that will just blow your mind.
The ultimate takeaway from this explainer is this. AI is evolving at breakneck speed, but it's really not something you just want to sit back and spectate. These tools are completely accessible right now, mostly for free, and they are standing by ready to become your ultimate workflow multipliers.
So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Take a hard look at the tasks that totally drained your time and energy today. Which of these everyday magic tools could have knocked it out for you in seconds? Your ultimate toolkit is out there waiting. So what are you going to build first? Thanks for joining this explainer and happy exploring.